Hello travellers, so today I wanted to do just a really quick update for March. And first of all, happy St. Patrick's Day. I've got my green jacket on. And Pixel here, he's got green eyes. Okay, so I've changed my jacket. It's still green, kind of an olive green. But I just wanted to show you some of the upcoming products. So if you do go ahead and click the link in the top right, I have already mentioned some of the products that I'm going to be reviewing in my previous update video, and they are still coming. I'm sorry for the delay. So I have this package here from Side by Side, and they are a Hong Kong company with a French CEO, and he's very nice. He sent me these products to look over, and I'll just show you them quickly. So this one here is called the Side by Side kit, and it's kind of like a passport wallet sized pouch that you can reuse, and it comes with a couple of other items for COVID safety. This one here is called the travel kit, and they come in these reusable zip bags, which are very handy. This one here has 5 reusable bags, and they're kind of for holding money and like money in different currencies for each bag. So they're more easy to separate. And this one here is a 10-liter dry bag, so that would be really nice for doing your laundry. I have done a video on dry bags, so if you do want to check that one out. This one here is actually my favorite one. This is called the Power Packer, and as you can see here, it is designed to be used for packing your electronics. You might have seen some reviews on this. It's actually a couple of years old now, but it's still very modern, and I think it's really well designed. I'll just quickly show you the inside. So on the back side, you get all these different areas to put different cables and like SD cards and stuff like that. And then on the other side, it opens just a quarter of the way, but you can put your power banks and stuff like that in there, laptop chargers. This one here is the Travel Packer, and this one is a little bit larger. So I won't get it out totally, but I'll just show you what it is. It's kind of like a toiletry bag with 2 reusable clear pouches inside of it. And you can obviously arrange it to use your toiletries or, electronics. But that would be very interesting to try that one out as well. So I'm going to save that one for an unboxing in the video. So that's it, just a couple of the upcoming reviews. And of course, like I said, click the link in the corner or down in the description to see some of my other update videos where I mentioned a couple of the other products that I'm going to be reviewing very shortly. As I mentioned before, I had a problem with the cicadas making a lot of loud noise, but right now it's raining and it's quite wet, so I'm trying to fight with the weather. But I will be doing the reviews as soon as I can. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments which of these reviews you're most looking forward to, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.